What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community on YouTube. Not news, guys, just basically have a discussion with you in the comments below. If you like this kind of stuff, please do fucking smash the subscribe button. That would be pretty dope. Even better, smash the like button so YouTube algorithm can pick up and show people the channel. And do get involved, guys. Do comment below because I do bring up your comments every Sunday as well. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I just post there sometimes and about polls and stuff like that. Do hit me up on it, and if you want to send me any stories or come on for a podcast, do hit me up there. Best way to reach me, and my DMs are always open as well, guys. So in today's episode, we're going to be covering Matt Armstrong, TJ Hunt, Sam Crack, and a few others. And with that, we're just going to kick it off with TJ Hunt. So TJ Hunt's latest video, guys, is basically him modifying the Ford Mustang GT350 that he bought. He has gone and decided to dump an RB26 engine into it and a new fuel tank, basically modernizing it but keeping it kind of like in the way of its 60 vibe as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this build by TJ Hunt. I mean, it's a replica at the end of the day, so he was going to go balls out, and I'm gutted he's not putting a 2JZ into it because I am a 2JZ super fanboy, but the RB26 is an absolute beast of an engine as well. So yeah, it's really interesting when he was going around the car about, just how much room was in the engine bay, the pedals that go in, the new fuel tank that go in, the new tachometer that had to go in as well. So all these little bits and pieces. So the outside will be kept the same. Is having troubles obviously with the wheels. He can't put on the calipers, so he has to get HRE to make custom wheels as well. I'm really intrigued to see this build. He's going for basically a street race car, I suppose is what he's going for. Do you like this kind of a build or do you not like it? Do let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I think it's going to turn out pretty dope. It's going to be an absolute beast when it's finished. Can't wait to see the power it puts down and what it sounds like and looks like on the street. TJ just kills with his builds, and I really do enjoy. I think I will enjoy this build definitely because it's very, very interesting. Next up, guys, is going to be Matt Armstrong. Again, he's onto a new project already. Can't keep up with him. The guy just keeps turning out project after project. Now he's after getting a BMW MI40, I think it's called. I never knew these actually existed, this spec. They're over 300 horsepower, never knew it. This thing is absolutely, it's destroyed on the inside. He has to do a lot of work to it. Basically with Matt, what I like is when he gets a project car, he just goes full fucking head into it. Like, he tears it to bits, he does the work himself, and he always makes like really good body kits, or like puts on really good kits on them. Love the wraps he does, gets good enough power out of them as well. I think he's going to be pushing for more power than he got on his Golf 4. Again, this is just going to turn out sick when it's finished. Like, if it's anywhere close to the Golf R, it's going to be absolutely stunning. It just can't wait to see this interior. Check out the video, guys, and link in the description. The interior is just destroyed in dirt. I cannot wait to see how that turns out and just what he does with it. It's definitely going to be a project car to look out for, guys. If you haven't followed his channel, I would highly recommend going over and checking it out indeed. Next up is going to be my friend Anthony from Sports and Touring. He has gone and done his UK version of DDE. He's gone to basically like a cars and coffee kind of event, but for supercars and hypercars there. And it was like, the way he shot this was really, really epic. The footage he got was crazy. The supercars and hypercars that were there were unbelievable. And he was there with his son, and basically they went through kind of the different cars that they liked and they didn't like, what one they would have picked out. I highly recommend go checking out the footage and link in the description below, guys. It's just some really, really sweet machines that they were after getting footage of. Also, Anthony's a one of 333 Audi R8 V10 Spider GT. It's a mouthful, but yeah, it's some sick footage. There was a helicopter there. The car for me, out of all the cars that were there, if you watch the video, for me, if I could just pick one, and I ended up agreeing with Anthony, it was the SVJ. that'd be my number one pick, and the McLaren Senna would have been a very, very close second. But there was also 458 Speciale there, I think, as well. Unbelievable sick car. Loads of McLarens. There was a 675 LT there. Just some of the cars that were there, the footage you got, the way he shoots his footage is epic. It was kind of felt like a bit like a UK version of DVE. So I highly recommend go and check out the video, guys. Link in the description below, and go give them a subscribe, because Anthony does some great work on that channel, and really does do some sick editing as well. Next up is going to be Paradox the Rapper. I haven't covered him in a while. He has gone away and wrapped his MR2, his MR2 convertible, and he's picked a new color for it, and I love this color. It's like a greeny, purpley blue. It like flips into 4 different colors. I feel personally myself, I don't know about you guys, but if you want to comment below and think what you think about this, but I feel like flip colors, especially when the wraps have evolved, are really starting to come back into the car scene. I've always loved flip bright colors. That's just me. This is a color I definitely would consider wrapping a car in. And also, as I said before, guys, I really am looking into getting like a wrap toolkit and some tech wrap. I really want to start wrapping cars. It's just obviously with the weather here in Ireland, I have no garage or nothing like that. But it's something I really want to get into. So I might get some sample sheets, try start wrapping some stuff at home, see how I go and get into bits and pieces, maybe some carbon wrap and stuff like that. But like I've watched Paradox Rapper, and he's a really good channel. Some of his old stuff, he shows you the way he wraps stuff, and I've been watching a few of them, and it looks tricky, but as he said, the more you practice, the more you get better, and you got to start somewhere. So we'll see how it goes. I highly recommend checking out the video. The color, I love it. Let me know if you like this kind of a color, like the flip colors. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm a lover of it, so that's just me really. But definitely he does some great work, and his channel I highly recommend go watching if you're into wrapping cars as well. Now, last up on the list, guys, is going to be Sam Crack. Sam Crack has just like tore through this project car. He ended up getting, I think it's a 4 S-Line, and it had a transmission problem. And when he gets these cars, I love watching him trying. He gets such great deals, but he ends up finding out, instead of being very expensive fix, he can fix these cars for sometimes anywhere between 500 to 1,000, and then they're nearly double what he paid for it. So with this S-Line, he ended up paying anywhere around 10,000 for it. They're selling for around anywhere between $20,000 to $22,000. He found out it was the transmission, you could say onboard computer that's within the transmission itself. He ended up finding that was the issue, so he replaced that and basically fixed the issue. Things are rocket now, and he's going to go away and probably do a few other small bits to clean it up. But he can sell it on for double the money, and those S-Lines are absolute rockets. I wouldn't mind having one myself, but it's really cool to see what he went through to fix the issue, and he was right all along in actually, picking out what was the issue with the car. As I said, he picks up some great deals. Some of them majority of the times they go well for him, and other times, like the Ferrari 360 Mendoza has gone to shit, but majority of times he's very good. If you do watch his channel, guys, please do let me know in the comments below what you think of Sam Crack's channel, because I really like watching people that tinker and try and figure out issues like this. And he's gotten a winner here because he's practically doubled his money by spending $500 to $1,000 on fixing the transmission. So fair juice to him. I highly recommend watching him if you haven't done so already. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you a million if you've watched the end. Again, please do consider smashing the subscribe button and getting involved and comment below. And all the guys that have regularly liked and comment below, you are fucking legends. Can't thank you enough. Just keep supporting the channel, and I'm still saving for a project car, guys. I'm busting my ass on it. I'm trying my best. We will get there, so just be patient, and I will let you know the update as soon as I know. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.